The new Siri of 2026. The WWDC 2026 reveal of Siri rebuilt from the ground up, powered by a custom 1.2 trillion parameter Google Gemini model, capable of handling multiple commands at once, looking at on-screen context, and tapping personal data across calendars, emails, notes, and messages with iCloud sync conversation history. In the next few minutes, we cover what the new Siri actually does, the multi-command capability, the on-screen context awareness, the personal data access model, and how it changes app integration. Let's get started. Let us start with the core idea behind the new Siri 2026. Here are the essentials of the new Siri 2026 in plain language, what it is and why it was introduced. The old Siri stack, limited domain dialogue, command-shaped queries, is gone. The new Siri runs on a custom Gemini variant with mixture of experts architecture. Conversational by default. Old Siri took one command per turn. New Siri handles compound requests. Schedule a meeting and email the participants and add it to my notes folder in a single request. When you say schedule a meeting with him, Siri can look at the email or message currently on screen to know who him is. On-screen context awareness collapses a major friction class. Siri can tap personal data across Apple apps. Recall the email from last Tuesday with the agenda, find the note about budget, summarize the message thread. Personal data becomes addressable conversationally. Now let us look at why the new Siri 2026 matters in practice. Here is where the new Siri 2026 shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. Siri is no longer just a voice overlay. It is a dedicated app, iMessage style bubbles, conversation history synced via iCloud, attachments for images and documents, a real chat surface. Third-party assistants, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini apps now compete with a deeply integrated default. The bar for sticking around as an installed app went up. When Siri can complete tasks across apps from a single prompt, the value of users discovering and opening individual apps drops. App publishers need an integration story. Siri reading personal data across apps is powerful and also potentially sensitive. Apple's privacy controls and per-permission disclosures will determine how aggressively users enable each capability. Let us recap the key takeaways on the new Siri 2026 and what to do next. Conversational by default, mixture of experts architecture. Compound requests in one turn, disambiguation from context. Personal data becomes addressable conversationally. Default app integration depth raises the bar. That is the new Siri 2026 in a nutshell. If you found this useful, subscribe for more iOS AI breakdowns. For more information, visit Standarity.com. See you in the next video.